Yeah, Morena, good morning. Beautiful sunny morning here in Christchurch. I got a Trangia cooker or cook set the other week, and I put out a video of asking what you wanted me to cook for it for its first use, and there was a range of things, but the variations seemed to come out in the comments about a fried breakfast. So that's what I'm going to do. Join me as I cook breakfast. Yeah, so the plan is today is to cook a bit of a fry up. I will just get out the bits and pieces. Like I said, this set is so new. It still has the paper in between the pieces. But the plan today is have a nice black pudding. Got my mate here to help. Got a potato from the garden, tomato from my garden, a couple of venison sausages, an egg. So that should be an alright breakfast. So before I even start cooking, I'm just going to do some prep work. In this sort of cooking, I normally find the sausages cook faster if they're split. So I just run the knife down and open them up. I do love my black pudding. My local butcher makes a fantastic black pudding. I saved the end bit here for the cat. That'll get me going. Right. Well, that lard's nice and hot now, so I'll start off with the potato chips because they'll take the longest. Get them swimming around in that fat. I'll give them a couple of minutes and then I'll add the sausages. Just keep them moving so they don't stick. I'll have to turn the heat down, I think. Simmering on. Back on the heat. It's a bit more sustainable. Sausages are in, add the black pudding. I turned the potatoes over just earlier, so it's coming along nicely. Might turn the heat back up again in a minute. I'll just see how these things go. I'd rather cook them a bit slower and not have them burn. As you can see, I'm in my yard today. There's been a bit going on in Christchurch lately. There's been a few fires. Fire risk is pretty high out and about, so I didn't want to be seen in public with a meths burning stove. We've got a pretty good forest fire going on in Christchurch. Well, not a forest fire, it's grassland up in the Port Hills. Today's Sunday. It started on Wednesday afternoon, Valentine's Day, 14th, and there's been at least one home destroyed, but a lot of farmland damaged and so on and so forth. So in the interest of safety, I'm in my backyard, so if something was to go wrong, which it never really does with these Trangias, but if it does, then I'm in a position to deal with it and not look like an idiot for a YouTube video. So sorry I'm not in a more exotic location. So the tomatoes are in. I'm blocking the light a bit, but tomatoes are in. Black pudding and sausage has been turned over. It's coming along pretty good. That sizzle sounds good, eh? I don't know where I'm going to put my egg. I think I might just have to take the sausages and black pudding out to one side and then do the egg then. Some people are quite critical of the Trangia. You know, they talk about it either being all or nothing. Well, if you look at the colour of that sausage and so on, it's frying it nicely. This is the older simmering, there's no adjustment on it, so it really is a two setting stove, but I think this is working rather well today. Yeah, that lard I do like frying in animal fat against vegetable oils. That lard's really doing a good job, nothing's sticking. The venison sausages are pretty lean, wild venison, and as a result there's no fat in the meat. There's obviously some fat added to the sausages, but yeah, overall I think this is looking like a good breakfast. Just move the meat over to here so I can give the egg a quick fry. Give that a couple of minutes and quickly flip it over. And yeah, sorry I couldn't show you me adding the egg. I'm using my phone this morning, and I need one hand to hold the phone and one hand to and two hands to do the eggs, so didn't quite work. But yeah, it's in there, and it's going to be a yummy brunch. It's about done to me. Just move everything off to the side. Put the black puddings back in. The sausage is just another minute to warm up. They're still pretty hot, but how's that looking, team? I'm pretty happy with that. All I need is a cup of coffee, so I'll get that on the go, and yeah, then it's kai time to eat. Take that off, put it over there. Flip the simmering open. These guys are a bit stiff. This might be a two-handed operation. I'll be back. Got the kettle on. Nescafe Mocha Tim Tam Mochaccino. Tim Tams are my favourite chocolate biscuit. So I'll let that boil, let this rest, and it's time to enjoy. Yeah, so breakfast. For those of you without children, you don't know about taxation rates. The son came by and raided my lunch. This thing's sniffing around looking for more, so I better get amongst it. Water's starting to simmer for my coffee. I'll give that another minute and then I'll enjoy the lot. Yeah, there's that off. Coffee, breakfast. So I'm going to sign off now and enjoy my feed. Good bit of black pudding there. Thanks for watching. If you've got any feedback or ideas, let us know next time. Ka kite, enjoy your day. See you next time. Bye.